This is a very fast tutorial. Like, you need a sharp purse. You want to take it to wedding, you want to take it to church, you need something to put your phone, hold your phone and look very classy and portable. This tutorial is for you. I'm going to be showing you step by step how I was able to make this cute, nice half moon purse. Very cute. Okay, so now we will draft our pattern. I measured 8 inches in length. My pattern paper is on fold. I measured a length of 8 inches. Okay, then I will now divide the 8 into 2. It gave me 4 inches. I divided it into 2, 4 inches. So at the top, I'll be measuring 3.5 at the top. I measured 3.5 at the top. Then the down part, sorry, the camera didn't capture it. I measured 3 inches, the down part. Then 4.5 in that middle line. Okay, top 3.5, middle line 4.5, the down part is 3 inches. I'm connecting it with a biro. You can use anything to connect it. Now I'm going to cut out my pattern. I love to work with pattern. Okay, so I have my pattern now. So now I have this beautiful leather. You can get any leather of choice. You can get something fanciful like this if you go to where they're selling leathers. So I got this beautiful leather. It's quite expensive, but it is very beautiful and high quality. So I'm cutting out using my pattern paper. I'm cutting out two pieces of it. 2 pieces of it. So here is just me retracing it. I cut out the first one. Now I'm cutting the second one. So after this, what I want to do now is I want to cut out a strap, a little strap that I will use to pass my ring handle. Okay, I have my zip already. The strap is 1.5 in width and a length of about 5.5. Okay, so the next thing I want to do, I want to cut my lining. You can use any lining of choice, it's up to you. So I'll be cutting out 2 pieces of the lining as well. This is a very cute half moon purse that you can just take to church, take to wedding. You can make it with anything, any leather of choice. So I have this material I used to pad if my leather is not so thick and I want it very thick. I use this material to pad my leather sometimes. So I'm cutting out 2 pieces of it. I'll use it to pad this leather material. It is thick, but I want it thicker. So you can use any material that you can get if your leather is not so thick and you want it very thick. So now I'm using my gum. I'm applying gum, not so much gum, moderately on it. Then I'll place that material on it to get the quality that I want. Okay, so I'm repeating the same step to the other side. So I'm placing it, I've placed it. So I have my 2 pieces together. I have my lining in place. I have my strap. I have my zip. Okay, I have everything in place. So now I'm going to be creating my strap, my little strap that I'll be passing the ring handle. So I'm creating the strap like so. You can do it anyhow you want to do it. You can fold it and sew it anyhow you feel comfortable. So guys, share this content so that more people will see it and benefit from it. Okay, this will actually save someone money. At least if you see a tutorial like this and you're willing to work on the project, you can have something to take to wedding, take to church. So now I'm fixing my zip. All right, I'm fixing my zip. You can get any zip of choice, any beautiful zip of choice. So I fixed the first part. I'm also going to be fixing the second part. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to place your lining on one side. and you sew, you top stitch, you place your lining on the other side, you sew and top stitch. Watch me as I do it. So you top stitch carefully. Ensure that you are maintaining a straight line as you top stitch. If you want to know more about purse making, you want to be able to make money from purses, you want to make purses from your home and you want to sell them, we have a community where you can belong, where you can subscribe to, okay, and you'll be having access to different tutorials. We'll teach you how to make beautiful purses and also tell you where to get the materials from, all right, that you can recreate those purses. So the subscription fee is just 3,600 naira. That's like less than $3. You can subscribe and belong to the community, okay, and you have access to exclusive tutorials. So this is the place where I'm going to be putting my strap. I divided one side into two, folded it into two, notch it, and I'm placing my strap on it. That is where I'm going to pass my ring handle. So after doing this, what I want to do now, you want to open your zip. Please don't make the mistake of sealing it with your zip close. Trust me, you are going to lose everything. So ensure to open your zip before you start sealing it. Before you start sealing it, see what I'm doing? I'm notching one part of the lining, like one side, and I'm also going to notch the other side. That area I will not be sewing it. I will sew every other places, but that particular one that I notched, I will not sew it because I will need it to be open for me to be able to flip out my purse. So now you are going to sew. Ensure that you are following the shape of the purse. Please ensure you are following the shape. As round as it looks, go like that in that shape. Otherwise, you're going to deform your purse to get another shape. Also, ensure your zip is open, please. So you go so like that, and you end the stitch at the place where you notched. If at any point you feel that the place is too thick, you have to gradually use your hand to roll your machine past that place. Okay, so now I've sewn and gotten to the place where I notched. You have to gradually notch these areas that you have sewn gently, then you flip out your purse. Share this tutorial so that so many people will benefit from it. Thank you for your support. So now we are going to flip out our purse. It is very hard. You just have to gradually flip it out, okay? When you flip it out, push out all the edges, the corners and everything. Make sure you push it out and everything is coming out. The shape has formed. The shape is coming out. So at this point, I wasn't sure if it would enter a phone, but then I had to try and it's very comfortable. It can contain like 2 to 3 phones, as small as it looks. So this is it. Here, I'm trying to push out all the corners, making sure that the shape is popping out well. Then you are going to fix your ring handle. You can fix your ring handle. It's very hard. You fix your ring handle like that. So I have this. At this point, if you have a very fancy leather like this, it's optional. You can choose not to put all this golden stuff. You can choose to put. It's absolutely optional. So if you want to put this golden stuff, you have your soldering iron. Put it to electricity. Plug it. Make sure it's hot. Punch holes, and you have this golden stuff. Put it in. It has 2 feet. 2 feet. See how you spread it. Spread it like that. That's how you are going to go randomly until you get your desired result. You can design it anyhow you want. This is creativity. I don't believe in following patterns. You can do anything that you want with it. You can design it. You can put it randomly anyhow you want to put it. Is absolutely up to you, okay? But please, if you want to work on this tutorial, ensure you get a fancy leather. Don't get a regular leather. I've not tried it with regular leather. I don't know how it will come out, but ensure to get a very fancy leather so that the result will be nice. So now you just put it randomly, okay? You just put it randomly. Share this tutorial. If you want to join our community, there's a link in this comment section where you can subscribe. Click on the link and you can subscribe to belong to the community, okay? So see you in our next tutorial. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. At this point, I'm sealing the opening. This is the last thing you need to do. You seal the opening, and that is the end of the tutorial. This purse is so easy to make. You can make it before going to church. You can make it before that wedding event. It's so easy to make. So bye. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give this tutorial a thumbs up, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Ensure to share this tutorial so that so many people will benefit from it. See you. Bye.